We asked Team Photo Club as well as some of our ex-students to share some tips for BITSAT 2024 based on their personal experience. So 10 students who cracked BITSAT last year are going to share 10 very important tips with you for BITSAT 2024. Make sure you watch this video till the very end and inculcate these tips in your preparation. All the best and enjoy the video.
Hey people, I'm Hari. I'm a first year student at Bitskova. Here's my tip for physics. For physics, even if you skip some chapters, try to remember all the formulae. Because in physics, sometimes you get very simple formula-based questions. So if you remember all the formulae, you can just fetch marks. So all the best. Cheers.
Hey everyone, this is Dhairya from BITS Pilani, Hyderabad campus. Chemistry in BITSAT is super scoring, so make sure you don't miss out on those easy marks. Majority of the questions are direct formula applications, so it is around the JEE main level. For resources, you can use the Photo book, you can do JEE main PYQs, and you can also give some mock tests as they are really essential. The questions are easy but also very tricky, so make sure you stay active throughout the paper. All the best.
Hey guys, my name is Riti Suchak. I'm a first year writer at BITS Pilani campus. My last minute tips for you for BITSAT attempt 1 mathematics would be revise all the chapters you've covered till now. Be thorough with the formulas. If you've still not covered the easy chapters like linear programming and mathematical reasoning which weren't there in JEE this year, please do cover them. And if you're still not able to find good resources for mathematics, solve JEE PYQs of the years 2018 to 2021. All the best guys, do great.
So the toughness level of BITSAT is very similar to JEE Main with English and LR जो कि mock से improve करना काफ़ी आसान है. बाकी syllabus coverage is very important and fast problem solving होना चाहिए. So you have to develop your speed and accuracy, and you also have to minimize your errors in the mocks because the negative marking in BITSAT is much worse than JEE Main. It is +3 -1.
This is Harshad from BITS Pilani campus. Today I'll tell you how to complete your syllabus quickly. So first, go for the one shots. You can refer to YouTube for the one shots, and then for some problem solving, you can either use your reference book or you can solve your coaching modules level 1 and level 2. And once you're done with it, directly jump to the mocks. Don't go for any chapter-wise test or anything like that. The reason why I'm telling you to skip the chapter-wise test is we don't have much time left with us. So it would be better that we directly jump on to the mock test.
As you all know, BITSAT has 130 questions in 180 minutes. So you hardly get around 1.5 minutes per question. That makes it very important for you to manage your time during the exam and maintain your speed and accuracy. For this, the most recommended thing by every BITSIN is to answer as many mocks as possible. This way, you will already be aware about the environment you're going to face during your exam. It's high time that you start giving mocks now, and if you still haven't joined a mock test series, go to the link in description and join Photo Club. These test series are made by BITSINS, which is the most relevant test series out there. You'll get free mentorship, mocks and quizzes, chapter-wise questions and much more. All the best.
So hello guys, this is Vedant Patel from Bitskova MEC, and I would like to emphasize on the fact that English and LRs is extremely important for your BITSAT scores. Practice a lot of questions, go through your mocks, analyze them, understand the logic behind every problem, and do not leave it out because trust me, the questions are way easier in this section instead of PCM. So like if you have to maximize your BITSAT score, do like give special focus on English and LR and just be calm, and yeah, all the best.
Time management is very crucial for an exam like BITSAT. The best way is to allocate time for each subject and stick to it. So for each subject, such as English and logical reasoning, you'll have to give 30 minutes and 30 to 35 minutes for chemistry, 30 to 40 minutes for physics, and about 1 hour for maths. After that, with the left 20 to 30 minutes, you can either go back and recheck your paper, or you can, if you have about 5 to 6 questions that are unanswered, you can go for the bonus questions.
So hi, I'm Rishi from NIT Warangal Mechanical Branch. So I would like to emphasize on the point of taking care of your mental health. जितना आप यहाँ stress कम लोगे उतना आपके exam के लिए अच्छा रहेगा. You have done your preparation well. Just believe in yourself. Have good food. Don't eat oily food, junk food. Avoid crow. Have good amount of sleep. Chill मारो like 7-8 hours. एक दिन पहले chill मारो exam के. Don't try to learn like don't try to cover new syllabus. जितना आपने किया, just believe in yourself. आपने सही किया है. The most important thing is, if you get any stress, just talk to your parents. अच्छा लगेगा आपको, मन हल्का होगा. And फोड़ के आना है. Best of luck.
So hi, my name is Pratik Upadhyay. I am a 2D sophomore at IIT Bombay. Coming to the last minute tips for your BITSAT examination. Firstly, I would say be positive and be only positive. Cut out every negative source around yourself. I would say have faith in yourself. Have faith on the hard work which we have put in the past 2 to 3 years. Believe me, everything would be worth it at the end. Nothing goes waste. Just prepare well, eat well, sleep well. You have done your job. Now just give your examination with a good mental state. And yeah, all the best for examination.